Cessna 13 Yankee, fly northbound to enter the downwind for runway 10. You'll be between an Embraer and a Boeing 737.
Where's the Boeing?
07 Kilo Charlie, turn left at Delta 3, contact ground point.
I think you wanted us. I think you wanted us on.
Ground on point 8. Happy for
I think you wanted us on a left downwind.
Tower, please repeat for 3113 Yankee.
This is 13 Yankee. I need your base, your downwind a little bit tighter. You'll be inside of another Boeing 737. I set up for about a 9 mile final for runway 10. The traffic here falls on a 2 mile final. You have them in sight?
Yep, we got him.
Traffic in sight.
13 Yankee, roger. Suggest you start your base now. Caution wake turbulence for runway 10, clear to land.
Start my base now. Caution wake turbulence. Clear to land 103113 Yankee.
Yep. So he's saying there's
Gotta
enough.
see where he lands at.
Yeah. I think we'll be far enough away.
1909 visual.
Has to be 3 minutes.
United 1909.
Well, it's not going to
See
be.
where he touches down. We'll touch on after him,
You're
okay?
number 3 to the field. Traffic's Cessna turning a 3 mile right base.
Yeah, he wants us tight. Go for the numbers now. Because there's another jet coming in and he wants us down and out of the way.
Cessna 13 Yankee, bring it straight to the numbers for runway 10.
13 Yankee, straight for the numbers 10.
Gonna be fine. I think he said there's a Boeing 37, or that one is a Boeing.
Yeah, he touched down.
Breaker 4707, turn right at the end, contact ground point 8, good day.
Right at the end, point 8.
There's this other Boeing. Flaps 10 degrees.
Cessna 5148 Juliet, frequency change approved, good day.
Flaps 20 degrees.
48 Juliet, thanks, sir.
Cessna 2 Foxtrot Alpha, frequency change approved, good day.
Flaps 30.
Cessna 13 Yankee, go around early, right crosswind turn approved to re-enter the right downwind.
Go around, right crosswind approved, 3113 Yankee.
Traverse City Tower, Skyhawk 182 November Whiskey is 10 south inbound for touch and go.
Wants to go right.
1909
Yep.
traffic, you're following
Midfield
is
right
going around to
downwind,
re-enter
so-
the right downwind. You're still cleared to land on runway 10, wind 360 at Niner.
10, clear to land, United 1909.
Yeah, when he said right to the numbers, like he literally wanted you to go
Cessna 182 November Whiskey, Traverse City
to the
Tower.
numbers. You kind of set it up for a final.
You want me to fly right in?
Right to the numbers.
Enter the right downwind for runway 10, report 3 out.
Right downwind, runway 10, report 3 out, 182 November Whiskey.
Cessna 13 Yankee, number 2 to the field. Traffic you're following is a Boeing 737 on a 2 mile final.
Looking for traffic, we'll follow on a 2 mile final. Go for second for runway 10, 3113 Yankee. Okay, we'll land after him then.
A 13 Yankee, turn base, runway 10, clear to land.
Turn base 130, clear to land 3113 Yankee. Alright, I'm going to land after him.
United 1909, turn right at the end, contact ground point 8, good day.
Right at the end, ground point 8, United 1909.
13 Tower, Skyhawk 921 Bravo Bravo, established RNAV 10.
We'll land past the
Skyhawk
numbers.
921 Bravo Bravo, Travers City Tower, good afternoon. Wind 350 at 10, runway 10, clear to land, traffic Cessna,
Because of his wake.
mile and a half, right base.
Runway 10, clear land, we'll look for traffic too, 921 Bravo Bravo.
Yeah, it's a long runway. You can land in the middle. Gas undercarriage, mixtures rich, perhaps full forward. Clear to land.
Clear land. There's that wake. Aiming for the 123 number. 500 feet.
Oh, butter. Oh.